Greetings everybody, Sive is here with the ForexPeaceArmy.com. So let's keep up our analysis of the gold market and make an update on the situation that we've got. So unfortunately we do not know yet what the impact on markets will be the recent meeting on Alaska. But since some big results have been leaked to public area, supposedly the effect on the gold market also will be minimal. So maybe if Zelensky will come to the Washington, in this case, maybe we will get some clarity. So the second part of this show we should see. But for now, on the technical side, I see actually the only two things that's worth of our attention. On high time frames, I also see nothing interesting. So monthly chart stands stable. On the weekly, potentially we have the bullish context, but currently market is coming to the very important point, which is the 33 even area. That is not only some maybe target on the lower time frames, as I will show you a bit later, but this is actually invalidation area of the big weekly pennant pattern. It's potentially bullish, but if we will see its downside breakout and market will drop below these lows, it could have really big consequences. In this case, we could get something like big ABCD down with the downside breakout. Its downside extension might be really significant. That's why we will keep an eye on not only on an important pattern that I will show you later, but also on the failure of this pattern that might happen. The chances that market could reach the 33 area in the current circumstances seems not bad, just because we've got the bearish reversal candle on Thursday, and well, that's just some at least minor downside continuation, which very often happens. That's the conclusion we could make on the daily chart. That's the only thing that is matter. So on the 4 time frame chart, the pattern I think it makes sense to deal with. In fact, in the current circumstances, when on the daily chart you could see narrowing swings, all big levels stands outside of this trading space. The only thing that our trading field is just the most recent swing up and this retracement. Because if you will plot here the fib level from the most recent upper direction, stands right there outside of our trading process. If you get it even from the larger swings, it stands right here. So because no new tops have been formed here, that's why all levels that's based on this top, it's based on this top, and major already has been reached. So that's why the only things that we could speak about right now is only this trading range. That's all. So just to not deal as on the previous week with this sloppy and choppy action without any patterns, which actually we were really tired of. Dealing every day with these overlapping candles, trying to suggest what's going to happen and so on. So it was really a bit boring and not very pleasant thing. I think that's just to escape it, let's focus on the major thing. So those of you who would like to take the short position, theoretically could consider it, but for me personally, I have no plans to take the short positions here. I am more focused on this pattern. It might be really the vital pattern and the bright pattern of the week. Why? Because ABCD target stands precisely at 33, which totally agrees and perfectly agrees with the with the support of the trend line. It's first moment. Correspondingly, this 222, it could put the foundation as a possible reversal and upward acceleration if bullish context remains intact and gold is preparing for upward action, or its failure and drop below the 32.7 area, taking out of these lows, could become the trigger, as I said, for a deeper retracement here. So this pattern anyway will be very useful. And depending what will happen around 33, we probably will know the answer. So that's our major pattern, major trading plan for the coming week. On about the minor things, well, we will see. Of course, situation could change. Maybe bottom will be not 33 but smaller. This is also doesn't contradict to bullish context. But this definitely probably will be below the 33.30. So in any way, market should try to take out of these lows. It might be just some downside action. We just need to keep eyes open, see what will happen. So some strong bullish reaction on lower time frames for the week also have to be noticed and used for possible trading. But for now, as a preparation for a coming week, as the starting point, I think that we could use this pattern. So that's our common view on the gold market right now. Let's stay in touch and see what will happen in the next week.